Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jarodix TV. And for today's video, we were going to react another requested Manipur song, and it was requested by Ruda Priya Haubam, and this is his message for me. Please react Mamal Naidraba Thamoi film title song. Alright, so this is a movie song. Okay, so the singer here, guys, is no other than Pusparani and AJ Maisnam. Oh my goodness, again I can hear your voice again, AJ Maisnam. So well, the uploader and the owner of this video, no other than my favorite channel, Tantha. Alright guys, so before that, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. Roma Production. Mamal Naidraba Thamoi. Oh. It's too early, the romantic scene. Oh, what kind of a music this one? Wow, I like the voice. I like the voice of Pusparani here. Oh, that was the voice of AJ Maisnam. Do you like it, guys? Even the cast here, guys, they've got, very sweet actress here and actor. Woo! Wow. Oops. Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Woo. There's a lot of beautiful artists in Manipur. I know some of you there guys waiting for, some kind of music like this. So, let me share this to all of you. Yeah! I like to hear that voice. Pusparani! Pusparani voice that one is. Guys, I'm so addicted with the Manipur music. Very well, 16. Oi, that's all. Wow. Oh my goodness. Whew. I love it. No doubt. Another Manipur song. Mamal Naidraba Thamoi. Oh my goodness. Guys, some of these cast here are who is this? Bala and Jam Psychom, guys. They're always in my reaction video, so that I know these all artists here are, they are very familiar now in Northeast India, particular in Manipur. So, wow, maybe these all artists here are now very famous, and no doubt there are very good artists, guys. Very good was this singer, actor and actress. And guys, to be honest to all of you, sometimes my daily routine is to listen Manipur music. Yes, because every time that I watch Manipur music, guys, I actually learn their language, their dialect. So I hope someday, guys, I can learn how to speak a Manipur dialect. And yes, if I learn that kind of a dialect, guys, well, I tell you guys, I'm so happy that time, because in my own life, I wish that I learned some basic language from Manipur. So help me someday, guys, if you have a time to teach me, to learn some basic language from your state, please sending me message on my Facebook, or either in my comment section, guys. Okay, so I hope that that day will come, guys. All right, guys. So another Manipur music ended for today. I hope you like my reaction video for today, and thank you so much for the artist here, the singer, the was this the owner of this video, and of course the one who requests this music. Okay guys, so I hope you like this reaction video that I made it for today guys. And if you like guys, please don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends. Alright, and give this a lot of a thumbs up. And please, those new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So see you on my next reaction video. I love you all guys. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.